Hi, my name is Jerry. Welcome to Cooking with Neighbors. So welcome, neighbors. Today, keeping it simple because this is my very first YouTube video. Just starting this channel. Hopefully many exciting things to happen on it, but anywho, we are making a layered enchilada casserole in the slow cooker. So quick, simple, easy. You can modify it to things that you like, or you don't have to put in olives, whatever you want. So anyway, first of all, you pick up red enchilada sauce. So it's about 290 some mils or about 10 ounces. Then, this sounds weird, but it makes it nice and creamy. 2 cans of cream of chicken soup.
So there's 2 of those.
Yeah.
2 enchilada sauces and 2 of these.
And then we have a can of small diced tomatoes. Olives, because my guys like olives. The chicken is a pre-cooked chicken that I got at the grocery store, and I just shredded it apart. Okay, and you will also need tortillas.
Okay,
Corn tortillas. Try not to get the flour at once if you can help it, because these hold up a lot better in the recipe. So you're better off using the corn tortillas. And about 4 cups of shredded cheese of your choice. You could use like a Mexican blend, a Tex-Mex. You can use Kobe Jack, whatever you want. I'm using Monterey Jack and sharp cheddar today. We are going to dump in to the chicken. Another one. I kind of have like a big crock pot, so that's why you can cut this recipe in half for sure if you want. It just depends on how much you want to make. You can use salsa in this with the enchilada sauce if you want. Or you can use the diced tomatoes. And trust me on this here with the cream of chicken. This is going to be good. Put that in there. You can use cream of mushroom soup if you don't want to use cream of chicken. You could use ground beef if you don't want to use chicken. You can use ground like the veggie crumble if you prefer to leave out the meat. You can put some black beans in this. Yeah. So it's whatever you like, really. It's very adaptable. You can get hot or mild. You can dice up some jalapenos, whatever you like. So if you want, you can spray the bottom of your crock pot with some Spam, or lightly oil it if you want, or put a little bit of the enchilada sauce on the bottom. Okay, so corn tortillas, if you want to have a look how it's going to be done in here, you're going to layer them into the bottom. I bought like about 4 packs there. 4 or 5 packs, and then you can tear them, doesn't matter. But we'll just, so that you can cover the bottom, right? See? Mm-hmm. Just like that. You're going to put a scoop of this mixture. So we scoop this in, covering her up. Now we're going to take a bit of cheese. Put that on there, and I'm going to put some olives. Okay, so and then we repeat. It's like almost like a lasagna, really. So you just layer until you use up your sauce and your tortillas, or at least your sauce. And they don't have to be perfect. Now my last layer, yeah, Harry our dog is sitting there at our table, just waiting. Well, can I have some enchiladas, Mommy?
I think normally we would put jalapenos on, if it wasn't weird or something.
No, I can put jalapenos
No, it's
on
okay.
it. I can slice up jalapeno. A garnish with jalapeno and green onion. How's that?
Sure.
Want to do that? Okay. So now we put the cover on.
Alright.
I just want to wipe off my mess. So now we're going to power it up. And we're going to put it on high for, you could, an hour and a half is fine, 2 hours. You can leave it on longer if you want, it's not going to hurt it. But all you need to do, because the chicken is cooked, and you know, it's just basically heating and melting all the flavors together and getting the cheese all melted, and then it will, you know.
If the cheese wasn't cooked, how long would it take?
What do you mean?
If the cheese wasn't cooked, I mean not the cheese, the chicken.
Oh, well, you would have to cook the chicken first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because you can cook the chicken in the enchilada sauce in the slow cooker, and after that's cooked, you take it out and shred it up, and then assemble it all if you want to do it that way.
Oh.
We're just keeping it kind of simple. I picked up the chicken at the grocery store, and
Alright.
so I'm just going to put this away, and we'll come right back. Welcome back. So it's been the 2 hours. Look at that. Looky there. Look at that deliciousness. So you could leave it sit for a little bit so that it doesn't get runny on you when you cut it. Some green onion. Some jalapeno. Some sour
I mean, it tastes
cream.
really good. It doesn't have to look good.
Well, I want it to look good too. Because you eat with your eyes. Let's give it a try. Mmm.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like chicken enchilada.
Alright, cool.
Mm.
That's okay. It tastes really good.
It's nice. Just like lasagna, when you leave it kind of, sit for a little bit, it's going to tighten up so you can cut it. And like a lasagna, same
Cool.
thing. Right? It's like Mexican lasagna.
Alright, it's ready. Okay.
Okay, thanks so
everything?
much for coming. So what I'm going to try to, what I will do is put in the description box below the instructions, the directions, the ingredients, whatever. Put the recipe below, and hope to see you again soon. Take care and have a great day.
Bye, everybody.
See ya.